She's so cute. On the road again. There's 3 spots, but 2 of them don't really work with the wheelchair because they drop off on the side that Brian would have to get out of the RV. Hi, McKenna.
Hi.
Now what are you working on, McKenna?
My book.
Oh, this looks like a good place to work on it. It's too bad there's not a table or something like that. Oh, look, there is a table.
The table's uncomfortable.
Of course it is. Drove out about 10 minutes from Pinedale, up the mountain, so we're at about 8,000 feet. And Brian found a off-road trail?
ATV trail, followed by said single, sometimes double track. So
Okay.
it's kind of a crapshoot. Some of these trails, based on the descriptions, if I can get on them or not. Got to try. So we're gonna see if it works for me.
Yep. Meanwhile, Alex and I are just gonna go hiking around with Carmel.
Yeah, so this is so awesome out here. It's just a Forest Service trail, like a Forest Service road ATV trail, but it's got some really unique rock garden sections. And you know, for Jarod, it's a little easier because he can pick his way through better. But for me, it's still a learning process with the off-road hand cycle. But it's amazing the rocks I can go over compared to either in the regular wheelchair or my road bike.
So yeah, we went on the trail some. Now we're on the road, trying to get up to another trail. Because Alex is worried about snakes. Because I don't know, you know.
And also I have like my leggings are sore.
Yeah.
So I don't want to get like tons of grass and stuff poking me.
And the best part about being able to get out here on these trails and stuff out in the wilderness is the spectacular views.
So how'd it go?
It was good. Once we got past the initial climb, we almost didn't get past that though because it was steep, rocky, and really loose sand. And this thing, since it's front wheel drive, it doesn't do well in that. There was a lot of rocks though, but it was fun.
Are you licking? What is she?
Licking you.
If she thinks you taste good, she might. Oh, Tay. She's so cute. So we're leaving Pinedale today after 2 whole weeks. It's been a lot of fun. Yeah, it's getting cold. Definitely time to leave. So we just had quick stops, Amazon locker, which is great. They had Amazon lockers in the town. And now we did win something on the quilt shop hop, right?
Nope.
It was. McKenna's name was with Alex, and so they won. And so we're gonna go in the shop and pick that up. So that's pretty cool. And then we gotta head out of here. On the road again. Yay.
All right, so we are leaving Pinedale, Wyoming. We were here for 2 weeks at the Yellowstone RV park, and it was we were only going to stay for 1 week, but after a week we're like, oh, this is really nice around here. There's a lot to do, and we went in close to Jackson, Grand Teton Mountain Range and National Park, so we extended for another week. Glad we did, because the weather was like beautiful. It was like 70 degrees during the day. Today we got a short drive, about 4 hours. We're going to do an overnight at a Cabelas north of Salt Lake City, and then tomorrow we're going to go rolling the dice tomorrow. We're going to try to go to a first come, first serve Forest Service campground, and hopefully we'll get in there. It looks like people love it. It's got really good reviews, and there's biking and hiking trails right by it, so hopefully we can get an early enough start tomorrow, get there and get a spot. Overnight at Cabelas was pretty uneventful. There was a potato truck parked nearby, and I didn't realize it until it happened, but the refrigeration unit would kick on the trailer every like 20 minutes or so, and run for like 10 minutes. But other than that, it was a good stop. Got a little bit later start than we wanted, but we're headed to Red Canyon Campground, which is near Bryce, just outside of Bryce Canyon National Park.
So it's first camping, first come, first serve. And it's towards the end of September, so we figured there'd be some spots, and luckily there are. There's 3 spots, but 2 of them don't really work with the wheelchair because they drop off on the side that Brian would have to get out of the RV. So this one works, except there's a lot of trees and stuff. It doesn't work well, but we think we can do it. We're trying to figure out best placement that we can still get the slides out without hitting trees, and we can get the platform and ramps and get Brian out of the site, like around through another direction. Carmel, you like the view? Is it a good view? Good sniffs? Good sniffs. Yeah, that's so cool.